Okay, good afternoon, Alonso. Today we are going to talk about globalization and marketing. Okay, now tell me, why globalization is so important in terms of marketing?
Good afternoon. The world is heading towards an economy with a greater degree of integration and interdependence.
Okay, very good. What satisfaction refers to?
Satisfaction integrates all the functional areas that encompass it as better response to customer expectation. Satisfaction is considered as the result of the purchase and use of a product or service.
Okay, very good. Now, let's talk about people. Satisfaction should be addressed to whom?
Marketing must be directed towards the consumer. Determine what they want, identify their needs.
Very good. Excellent. Needs is very important in terms of marketing. And how can the customer expectations categorized?
Emotional or structural. The first refers to everything associated with the tangible elements, and second has to do with the emotion of the client, what you expect to feel in the service experience.
Okay. Now let's make a list. What customer expectations can you list?
Elements that integrate custom expectations, market standards, what you hear from other customers, previous experience with the product or service, current need to acquire the product or service, brand advertising, the price as long as the client does not have other elements to evaluate the product or service.
Thank you very much, Alonso, for that priceless information.